Hello and welcome to the session on mobile automation with Tricentis Tosca. I'm Marcus and today we'll show you how to scan a web application on Android. To get started, either start your emulator or connect your Android real device. Then open up Tricentis Tosca, go to the module section, right-click on the modules folder and select Scan Mobile. This will open up the mobile XScan. Here, first we need to add our device, in this case our Android emulator. Click on Add Device, select Local, because we're working with a local emulator. If you have a device that is running on another machine, you can add another Appium server by clicking on Add New. Next, enter the name of the device, how it should appear in the XScan window. We will take Pixel 2 emulator and then enter the device ID. To get the device ID, open a command prompt. Also open an Explorer window and navigate to the Android home directory. Here go to Platform Tools and drag and drop the ADB executable into the command prompt. Launch the ADB command with the parameter devices. Here you can see that I have my emulator running with the device ID emulator 5554. I can copy this from here and paste it into the XScan window. Here I select Android and click on Add. Now I can add my application. Here I go to Add App, select Web, click on Continue, enter the name of the application, how it should appear in the XScan window. In this example, we'll use the Tricentis Insurance Calculator. And we enter the URL for the application. And we click on Add. Now both of them are selected. We select Run Live View to make use of additional features and click Connect. Now we can already take a look at our emulator itself, and Tosca will open up Chrome and launch the Insurance Calculator app. Once Tosca opened up the application, it will also launch the live view. The live view is especially useful if your device is located somewhere else and you can still see what is going on. And in this context, it's also useful for the highlight on screen function, which I will show you in a minute. Once the connection is established, click on Scan. You will see that the XScan window looks just the same as in desktop automation and you have the same features available. Note that the highlight selection feature, which looks like this, now I highlight the Tricentis logo for example, is only available in the live view. And the select on screen feature is available for native applications but not for web applications on mobile. Now let's say I can select the logo as usual, identify it by the technical parameters like I'm used to, and by finished screen, Tosca will create the module. Now I can close the XScan. And I can see in Tosca, my module was created. Thank you for joining and see you in the next video.